At today's trial in the Baku court on grave crimes on the case of Nida movement and free youth organization activists, the judge removed from the courtroom the leader of Musavat party, Isa Gambar, prompting protests of the accused. Seeing Gambar in the hall, the judge recalled his previous decision to remove Gambar for disrupting proceedings and ordered the guards to take the leader of Musavat away. Gambar demanded an explanation, but the judge said he did not have to give account to him and called for the withdrawal of Gambar from the hall. "My goal was to cause you and others like you to feel remorse for the detention of innocent people. The time will come and you will answer before the law for your illegal actions," Gambar said. These words were received with applause from the accused and the audience. The defendants said that if Gambar was removed, the trial would not continue. They turned their back on the judge. Gambar eventually left the room. The chief of staff of Musavat protested the actions of the judge. The judge began to read the testimony of the accused Mehmet Azizov given during the preliminary investigation, but defendant refused to listen. After the break, the judge read out his testimony. In the testimony provided in March, Azizov reported that 174.54 grams of marijuana had been found in his rented apartment. Saying that the drugs did not belong to him, Azizov allegedly admitted that he had discussed with other activists of Nida about organizing mass riots at a rally on the 10th of March in order to intimidate the police, to enhance the public involvement and support of other opposition forces and believers, as well as to obtain political and financial assistance from foreign embassies. However, in the testimony given on September 14th, Azizov said that he had given the previous testimony under torture and pressure. He refused to answer questions from the judge and the prosecutor. Then lawyer Mehmet Karimli requested to send an inquiry to the Ministry of National Security regarding the visit of Shahin Novruzlu's father, Ibrahim Novruzlu, to the ministry on March 7th to 9th. It will clarify whether the young man's father was present at his interrogation. It is important because at that time Shahin Novruzlu was under 18. The lawyer also requested a medical examination, as during the interrogation in the Ministry of National Security, Novruzlu had 4 teeth knocked out. The public prosecutor opposing the first petition did not object to the second one. However, the court left the first motion unconsidered and rejected the second motion. It was further announced that the next hearing will be held at 10:30 a.m. on December 25th.